Hey guys, Jarrett here. So I was given this product to review. It's actually a steel hammer in the shape of a fist. The quality on this is actually pretty detailed. I didn't know what to expect, but the way that everything is engraved into this, you can actually see the veins on the back of the hand. You see the ring that's been engraved on the ring finger. And on the bottom of it here, you can see this solid flat surface area. And this is where you can actually hammer in, whether it be tent stakes, whether it be a nail, you can hammer in anything that you want with this. So take it with you camping, use it with you at work. You can even use this or keep it in your car if you needed to in case of emergencies. So it has a wooden handle here that's crafted really well. And then you have this leather hook piece too, so that you can actually hang it up as well. It also comes with this leather strap too. If you wanted to, you could actually even thread this or put this on a wall and then thread this right through, so that way it could hang up. Or you could put this on your belt loop, so that way while you're working, you can just carry this around with you and then take it out and use it as need be. So I was really impressed with the craftsmanship of this. It's heavy, it's solid, it's not light. It also comes with sandpaper too, so that way you can keep up with the appearances of it as well. It'd be a great gift for dads, a great gift for someone that camps. This is something that you can use either as a decoration or something that you can actually use functionally as a hammer or as self-defense. So I would recommend checking this out.